Meet Billy and Cindy. They just bought their first RV. They've dreamed about this for years. For them, it's freedom.
But what they didn't realize yet, they didn't just buy an RV. They stepped into a community. The RV community is wide. It stretches across brands, travel styles, online spaces, and campfires. It's generous, helpful, welcoming, but it's also scattered.
Billy joins his manufacturers group. Cindy finds her favorite creators. They connect with others traveling full-time.
Most RVers belong to more than one circle. We overlap. Brands, travel styles, online communities.
And yet you can be in all the groups and still feel alone. You can follow every channel and still not know who to call when you break down in Tennessee. Belonging doesn't happen automatically. It happens intentionally.
When people move from information to relationship, it's not about adding another group or just creating another event. It's about creating a space where the overlaps become real connections.
Online connection opens the door. In-person connection changes everything. And when people truly begin to connect, something deeper starts to stir.
When you remove the house and the routine and the walls around you, you start asking different questions.
What really matters now? How do I show up for the people around me? What kind of difference can I make in this season?
We believe the RV lifestyle isn't just about where you park. It's about the difference you make along the way.
Right now, that starts with connection, real relationships, showing up, gathering, and encouraging. And as those relationships grow, so will the impact.
Something is forming, and it's bigger than any one circle.
Billy and Cindy didn't just buy an RV. They stepped into community. And when community becomes intentional, it becomes family.
If you're looking to get connected, we would love to meet you.